want to thank Jeff, Adam, and Chad at the Barn Door Store. This is the wow we were looking for. I'm so glad we discovered you up at the Scottsdale Air Park, just down the road. And boy, this is what this house needed. Thank you so much for your team. They did an awesome install. We could not be happier.
We love it. Thanks so much. This is one of the things that we wanted to do early on in our renovation project and ran out of money, and now we've got these beautiful beams to complete our home and on to the next project.